Hi everybody, this is George again with the next A-Dorian video. If you're new to this channel, check out the other videos too, cause they all build on each other. And support this channel by clicking the thumbs up button and please write a little comment. In the last video I suggested playing the scale on D and G string using fourths as the interval like this. Next to the fourth you can reach the fifth. So check this out. Now I'm going to jam a little bit to give you an idea what it sounds like. I hope you now feel like trying it out and start jamming yourself. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon.